A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic today is the transformative power of communities and cooperatives, innovating together for social equity and sustainable development. Ladies and gentlemen, in an era marked by rapid change and complex challenges, the importance, strength, and potential of collective action and shared purpose cannot be overstated. Communities and cooperatives have the unique ability to drive economic development, social cohesion, and sustainable progress. They represent a model where collaboration and collective effort are at the forefront, often leading to remarkable successes and occasionally notable failures. Understanding these dynamics can be helpful in realizing success for the greater good of public, governments, and in turn our interconnected world, as every nation today is facing a huge economic challenge and public pressure to tackle the growing and pressing issues of economic and social disparity, unemployment, and the need for urgent relief therefore and sustainable development. Let's understand what we are looking at. Communities are the bedrock of human society. They provide a sense of belonging, support, and identity. When individuals come together with a common goal, they can achieve remarkable outcomes. The power of communities lies in their ability to harness diverse talents, perspectives, and resources to address local and global issues. Cooperatives are a unique form of community organizations that combines economic and social goals. They are owned and operated by their members, who share in the benefits and decision-making process. This promotes inclusivity, equity, and sustainability. Globally, cooperatives play a significant role in the economy. Beyond economic benefits, cooperatives foster social cohesion and resilience. They empower marginalized groups, promote democratic governance, and enhance social capital. Cooperatives also contribute to environmental sustainability by prioritizing local resources and talent. According to the International Cooperative Alliance, ICA, cooperatives are based on 7 core principles: voluntary and open membership, democratic member control, member economic participation, autonomy and independence, education, training and information, cooperation among cooperatives, and the concern for community. There are over 3 million cooperatives worldwide, employing more than 280 million people, or 10% of the world's employed population. The global cooperative sector has an estimated turnover of $2.18 trillion US. In the year 1761, the first community-based cooperative society in the world was started in Scotland, England, where around 28 men, mostly weavers and skilled workers, jointly decided to open a democratically governed enterprise. The cooperative movement was introduced in India as a state policy and owes its inauguration to the enactment of Cooperative Societies Act 1904. Let's look at few examples of success of the cooperative business. First, one of the most compelling success stories is the Mondragon Corporation in Spain. Founded in 1956, Mondragon has grown into one of the largest cooperative groups globally, employing over 81,000 people across 98 cooperatives. Its revenue in 2020 was approximately 12 billion euros. The corporation reinvests 10% of its annual profits into cooperative education, research and development. Its success is attributed to its strong community roots, democratic governance and a robust support system for members' cooperatives. Mondragon's emphasis on education, innovation and reinvestment of profits back into the community has been pivotal. It exemplifies how cooperatives can drive economic growth and social welfare simultaneously. The second example is Amul. Amul Cooperative in India. Established in 1946, it has over 3.6 million milk producers as members. Amul revolutionized the dairy industry in India by empowering these small farmers and producers. The cooperative processes 23 million liters of milk per day, making it one of the largest dairy producers in the world. Amul's annual turnover in 2021-22 was approximately 8.3 billion US dollars. Amul's success stems from its focus on value addition, efficient supply chains, and a strong brand built on equality and trust. It illustrates how cooperatives can enhance livelihoods and transform industries by bringing together fragmented producers under a common vision. The third example to quote is Grameen Bank in Bangladesh. This community-based microfinance institution has empowered millions of people, particularly women, to lift themselves out of poverty. By providing small loans and fostering a sense of community, the Grameen Bank has transformed lives and revitalized entire villages. The fourth example being quoted is the Organic Valley Cooperative in the US. It's an organic food brand and independent cooperative of organic farmers based in Wisconsin and founded in 1988 with just 7 farms, is the largest farmer-owned organic collective in North America today. It supports organic farming and renewable energy initiatives, benefiting both the environment and its members. It is built around the idea that the best way to change things is to work together. It has over 1,600 family farms and over 900 employees. There are examples also, however, where in spite of good intentions and purpose, the success did not come for various reasons. For example, the collapse of Pan-African cooperative movement provides valuable lessons. In the 1960s and 70s, many African countries promoted cooperatives as part of their development strategies. By the late 1980s, many of these cooperatives failed due to mismanagement, corruption, and lack of proper training. A study by the International Labour Organization found that only about 30% of the cooperatives formed during this period have survived. This underscores the importance of robust governance, proper structure, transparency, and capacity building. The second not pleasant example is the failure of the United Housing Foundation in the United States. It was a cooperative housing organization in New York, founded in the 1950s. By the 1970s, it had developed over 30,000 housing units, but faced financial difficulties due to lack of adaptability to changing market conditions, rising costs, insufficient member engagement, and other management issues. In 1975, it filed for bankruptcy. This example highlights the need for financial prudence and member engagement in cooperative management, besides the need also of remaining flexible and responsive to external challenges and internal dynamics. While the potential of communities and cooperatives is immense, they face challenges such as limited access to capital, regulatory hurdles and interferences, and the need for capacity building. However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation and collaboration. The key ingredients for thriving cooperatives need to be identified. A 2018 report by the United Nations found that cooperatives with strong governance structures had a 20% higher survival rate than those without. Education and training significantly impact cooperative success. According to the ICA, cooperatives that invest in member education report a 25% increase in member participation and engagement. Financial sustainability is crucial for cooperatives. A study by the European Research Institute on Cooperative and Social Enterprises shows that cooperatives with diversified revenue streams are 30% more likely to be financially stable. What is the blueprint for success of a cooperative? Learning from above examples and findings, let's define the key ingredients for success which must be in place for the cooperatives. First, strong governance and leadership. Effective leadership and transparent governance are critical. Leaders should be accountable to members, and decision-making processes should be democratic and inclusive. Second, education and training. Continuous education and training for members and management are essential. This ensures that members understand their roles, responsibilities, and the cooperative's operations, leading to better decision-making and management. Third is financial sustainability. Sound financial management and sustainability are crucial. Cooperatives need to ensure they have adequate financial systems, access to capital, and strategies for profitability while balancing member benefits. Community engagement is the fourth requirement. Engaging the broader community and fostering a sense of ownership among members is vital. This can be achieved through regular communication, involvement in decision making, and creating a shared vision. Fifth, innovation and adaptability. Cooperatives must embrace innovation and remain adaptable to changing market conditions and technological advancements. This can involve diversifying into other services, adopting new technologies, and continuously improving the process. According to World Bank, cooperatives can play a crucial role in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly in areas like poverty reduction, food security, and gender equality. The UN General Assembly declared 2012 as the International Year of Cooperatives, recognizing their potential to contribute to socio-economic development. Governments and international organizations must play a crucial role in supporting communities and cooperatives. Policies that promote access to finance, education, and infrastructure can enhance their impact. In conclusion, therefore, the transformative power of communities and cooperatives is simply undeniable. It lies in their ability to bring people together, harness collective strengths, and create lasting change. When harnessed effectively, they can drive economic development, enhance social cohesion, and promote sustainable progress. They offer a compelling model for addressing the challenges of our time. Support and investment in these vital institutions for their success is necessary. By focusing on strong governance, education, financial sustainability, community engagement, and innovation, their full potential can be unlocked, creating a better future for all. Nations and their governments must commit to fostering the golden principle of community-led social and economic transformation, and by supporting cooperative movement worldwide, for they are a testament to the power of collective effort and shared prosperity. Answer to complex situations and challenges can then be simple and easy. Our shared success lies in this. Thank you and God bless.